Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see a very easy, healthy and delicious sweet recipes. So let us start with the aval laddu, which is called as the poha laddu. For that, in a pan I am adding 2 spoons of ghee. Let the ghee melt well. After it's well melted, we are going to add 1 spoon of cashew and 1 spoon of raisins to the ghee. Saute the raisins and the cashews well till it is golden in color. It is very essential that for all the sweet recipes we saute these dry fruits well so that their flavor enhances. So now we are done with the dry fruits. To the same pan and the ghee, I am going to add half a cup of grated coconut. Coconut always has a moisture in it and it has to go when we fry the coconut. Let the coconut turn into crumbs. Till that we have to saute it. To that I am going to add 1 cup of poha. I am here using the white poha and I have powdered it as well. Now I am going to add the poha to the coconut mixture and I am going to fry well till the poha turns crisp. Actually, kids love this kind of sweets very well, especially during the evening time. Kids will be always yearning for some snacks too for them to have. To taste, I am adding brown sugar and elachis powdered. Add the same to the mixture and 1 pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of the sweet. Saute till the brown sugar melts. This laddu will be very delicious and there is no doubt that the kids can't avoid it. It is very nutritious also. And here I am going to add the sauteed raisins and cashews. I am going to give a good mix to this mixture. So now let the mixture cool a bit. After cooling it for a minute, here now I am going to prepare laddus by just molding them up. If you see, you can also just grease some ghee to your hands and then you can also start preparing the laddus. It is very healthy that the kids can have it any amount. At the same time, after having 1 or 2 laddus, their stomach will be fulfilled and they will be with a full stomach, they will be very happy and healthy as well. So now if you see, our poha laddus are very much ready for serving. Please do try this recipe at home and please do let me know your opinion in the comment section. I am indeed very yearning to hear all your comments in the comment section. So next we are going to make our signature sweet recipe, rava kesari. I am going to show this in a simple method. For that, in a pan I have added 1/4 cup of ghee. Let the ghee melt. Here I am going to add 1 spoon of cashew and 1 spoon of raisins, the dry grapes. So now I am going to roast all these dry fruits in low flame. If you want to add badam, you can also add badam grated or chopped into small pieces. If you see now, our dry fruits are roasted well. I am going to add half a cup of rava or suji. Roast the rava well till the color changes, or else you can just know when the rava starts to raise the aroma from it. After it is fried well, you can see how it is fried. Now here, after frying this rava well, I am here going to add 1 cup of milk. After adding the milk, immediately add 1 cup of water. For half cup of rava, I have added 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water. Cook till the rava thickens. Don't worry, the rava will not form into lumps as we have roasted it well. Now I'm going to cover and simmer for 3 minutes. If you see now, our rava kesari is almost done. But I'm going to add the color for the kesari. Before that, I'm adding 1 pinch of salt to it to enhance the taste, cardamom for the fragrance, sugar 1/4 cup. Give a good mix. Let the sugar melt well. During this process also, the rava is getting cooked well. The more you roast the rava, the delicious the kesari will be. So now I have mixed all the cardamom, sugar and the salt together well. I am going to just pour the saffron water soaked half spoon to the kesari here. I am not adding any artificial colors to it. If you are interested in adding food colors, you can add some organic food colors that are available in the stores. I have added the saffron water to the rava kesari. I am going to just give a good mix to the sweet. Now, if you see, the simple and healthiest rava kesari is ready. Next, here I am going to show you the roasted gram laddu, which is called the pottukadala laddu. For that, in a mixie, I am going to add 1 cup of roasted gram dal, sugar half cup. Instead, you can also use brown sugar half a cup or to 3/4 cup. Fragrance, for good fragrance, I am adding ilachis. I am going to grind all these things smoothly. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and I am going to add half a cup of ghee to this mixture. Knead this dough very well till all the mixture combines well into a well formed dough. So if you see now, the dough has combined well and I have made the laddu. This is a no fire cooking laddu. It is extremely healthy for the kids especially. It is very good in fiber and well as iron. Please do try this recipe at home. Give it to the kids and let the kids have the healthiest snack recipe. Now here I am going to show you the dry fruits laddu. It is very easy. For that I have taken half cup of badam, half cup of dry grapes, which is the raisins, half cup of cashews, 3 cardamom. Now I am going to grind all these things well. If you want to add badam and many other dry fruits, you can add it. To this I am going to add 1 spoon of brown sugar and I am going to mix it well. If you see now, the mixture is very crumbly. Now I am going to just make balls out of it. Instead, you can also add dates to this. Dates will always help the laddu to mold well. So now, if you see, our dry fruits laddu is very much ready. These sweets which I have shown today are extremely very eligible for the kids. Here we go with the peanut ball recipe. For that, I have taken 1 cup of roasted peanuts. Please do take the peanuts with the skin. To that, I am going to add half cup of brown sugar, 3 ilachis, ghee 1 spoon. Now you are going to just grind all these ingredients into a smooth mixture. If you see, the crumbly texture has already come and it holds the shape as well. Now you can transfer this mixture into a bowl and we can just start preparing the peanut balls. All these recipes which I have shown you today are definitely eligible for the kids to have them as an evening snack. to the milk which they are having in the evening, they can have these snacks as well, and it is very healthy for them. Our peanut balls are ready. We are not investing much time to do all these sweet recipes, but the outcome of this recipes results in the kids' health. If you have liked this video, please do give a like below and subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Please definitely let me know your favorite recipes in the comment section. Stay connected, keep in touch. Bye.